So I did a video regarding the market situation of V50 index. So short term, we are kind of going to look for buy opportunity. We have this level of support too. We have this level of support on the daily time frame. So how do you approach the markets? How do you look at for trade opportunities on this index? Because we have seen the market giving us the first and second touch of this hour. I said I was expecting the market to come buy up from this zone. We analyze the market. I did a video, you guys should go check it out. I may drop the link to the video in this video description, so you can go check it out. So I took the buy basically when a buy on the index. You can see we're moving nicely well. I bought from this zone, and I tried this as my possible buy zone in last video. So why did I take the buys on V50 index? Why did I buy this index at this point? So coming to the weekly time frame, basically, you can see that the market has been bearish for some time now. Has been bearish, creating lower highs and lower lows. You can see the market structure, you can see the market direction. The market is trying to a downside, and we have a zone basically at which the market broke out of. This is like a break and retest of a support level turned resistance. We had this level as a level of support. You can see the market burning up from this zone. This zone has always been an important zone in the past. Finally we got the market break below it. And whenever a support level is broken, it turns to resistance. So the market broke below our support level, came out to retest it. The first retest didn't really give us a good sell to the downside. We had this little sell. The market came back to this zone again, kind of retesting this our double bottom formation. These are double top formation at this point. The neckline of our double top formation at this zone. Two equal highs at this point, which is a reversal formation, which is a reversal pattern. Then the market broke below this our neckline. And on every reversal formation, there's always a neckline, beats the double top formation, double bottom formation, head and shoulders pattern, inverted head and shoulders pattern. There's always a neckline. So we got the neckline of this our pattern at this point. When we go to the delta frame, we see it clearly. When we got the neckline, the market broke, retested it, and is selling off at this point. The last week candle gave us a bearish pin bar, which is a bearish candle formation. So on the daily time frame, you can see the formation clearly. That was a double top formation at this point, and we got the neckline of the double top formation at this zone. We got the neckline at this zone. You can see the neckline here, the double top, the highs, and another high, two equal highs. The neckline, the market broke below it, gave us a retest on it, and it's selling off. In as much as the market is selling off into a double top formation, we have a bullish market structure. The market created the high at this point. There was a high at this zone and another high followed up at this zone that came to give us a test of our neckline. We got the market creating a low at this point basically. There was a low here and another low, a higher low in this case. So you can see clearly that this is a bullish structure, this is a bullish market formation, and we expect the market to give us an upward move. And identify this level as a key level in this our market structure, in this our current market structure. We have the market creating these higher lows and higher highs, so there's a high chance of the market coming back to this our zone. There's a high chance of the market coming back to this our zone to buy from these points, like I stated in the last video, that we got the market giving us the first touch of our trend support, the second touch, and there's a possibility of the market coming back to this our zone to give us a third touch of this our trend support, add up with our horizontal support at this point. So you can see that the market is buying up from this zone, and we have our trend resistance at this point. The market is selling from this our trend resistance, and I mentioned earlier the market has given us the first and second test of our trend resistance. Then we have to wait for the market to give us the third test of our trend support, because we've gotten the first and second test of our trend support. So you can see the market is buying up from this our zone, and it's clearly seen that we're moving in good profit on the 1 hour time frame. I bought at this point and moving nicely well. This is just working with the market structure, working with the market trend, the market zones and levels. So on the 4 hour time frame, basically you can see that everything is matching up. Let's check our retracement zones to see our level of retracement, how it's going. And you can see that the market is at this is 1.8 level, which is a nice retracement zone. Though it didn't really buy up from this our level exactly, it's pushed down a little bit before giving us a reversal. So I expected the buys from this zone basically. I expected the buys, that's why I waited for more further move to the downside if I could take my buy trade. And I see how well the market is moving. I'll see how well the trade is moving. So this has also given us the third touch of our trend support at this point, because I've gotten the first test at this zone, first, second and third test. And I talk about trend lines whenever I want to trade the trend line strategy. Whenever I want to approach the market using our trend lines, we have to identify our zones, our horizontal zone, our zone of support and resistance, then spot our trend support and resistance. Like we spotted our trend resistance at this point and our trend support, and we have seen that in the past the market has always respected our horizontal, this is our trend support. Market bouncing off from this zone, buying off from this our zone, buying off from here. So there's a high chance of the market come back to this zone to buy off from the zone as well, because analysis is basically using past market reaction or past market move to predict the future market move. We have kind of used what happened in the past to predict what is about to happen in the future by buying on these our trend supports, because the market has always bought from it. So that's how I took the buys on VIX index, applying simple market price action, key levels, key zones, market structure. So that's it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the smile like button and subscribe if you're new to the channel. And to my returning viewers, a big shout out to you guys for let's engage in my videos. It really means a lot. Let's do more, guys. Let's do more. And again, my mentorship comes up soon. It comes up soon, so you guys should stay updated in my Telegram channel. If you're on my channel, the link to join my Telegram channel is in the video description. Do it to join so you can get updated whenever my mentorship starts. So thank you guys and do have a wonderful day. Peace out.